What's up, True Beauty fam, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Okay guys, so we are about to go meet my mom and my sister because they had went out to the mall earlier. But we are going grocery shopping because I'm making dinner tonight, and that is gonna be in this vlog. The first vlog, I feel like for me, it's always like a calm vlog. I'm never really doing that much. But yeah, this year I want to try and upload every single day. I usually slack off, which is so bad, I know. But this year I want to try and be better about vlogging, and yeah, I'm gonna really push myself to vlog every single day, do something every day. I already have videos planned out, I just have to film them. But other than that, I'm pretty much like ready to do Vlogmas. I wanted to do a photo shoot for my Vlogmas this year, but I think I'm gonna do a photo shoot next year for my Vlogmas, so that way it's like more polished and everything. But yeah, I'm really excited for this year. There's a lot of exciting things happening this December. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Oh, there's too much. There's a lot happening. Hey guys, so we out here in Pathmark, and we're shopping for things to make dinner. We got the whole fam. We got Roberto. You could say hi. Jeez, so rude.
Not sure much, but
Okay, so we got Roberto.
yeah, you so tired.
And we got Mommy. Mommy, say hi. Hi.
Yo, why you so tiny?
And cause you so damn big, that's why.
I'm normal size. I'm only 6 feet 1.
Your couple goals right here.
Okay.
Yo. No, I know. I'm not with you. I'm not doing this with you. Not today.
Like that spice?
But yeah, tonight we're making chicken tikka masala. I don't know why, but I don't feel like nervous right now. Like, is that weird? Like, I don't feel nervous or anxious or anything. And I'm vlogging out in public. But yeah. We're also gonna get Alyssa a birthday cake.
Yeah. We September, October. we 4 months too late, but I'm not gonna say no.
Right, and it's an ice cream cake.
It won't melt on the way home. That's for damn sure.
Oh no, it will not, because it's kind of cold outside. It's gross outside too. So. All right, exactly. Yo, that's my boyfriend, guys. But yeah, I look hella ashy and hella dry. But yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna cut this clip right here because there's nothing really much to film. But I figure, you know, since it's the first day of Vlogmas or whatever, like, you know, get into the groove. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alyssa, let's get this bread.
I got too much jello. Took my whole jello.
Okay guys, so we are in the kitchen. I have you guys on my Canon camera right now because I need my phone to look at the recipe because I've never made a tikka masala before. So this is gonna be my first time, and usually the recipes I find on Pinterest are pretty good, and I don't really know how to make like Indian food like that, so anything that I try to look up for like Indian food or whatever, I look up on Pinterest. And same thing with West Indian food. I was never like taught how to make West Indian food, so I kind of just learned from like videos or Pinterest or whatever, and I teach myself, and sometimes I tweak it, like if it needs more seasoning, if I like a different seasoning, like if I like a seasoning better than one seasoning, and so on and so forth. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean the chicken, and I will see you guys when it's time to marinate the chicken and tell you guys / show you guys what to do if you guys are interested in making chicken tikka masala and you're not sure how to do it. So yeah, I'll be right back when it's time to marinate the chicken. Okay, so I finally finished cleaning the chicken. So, talking to camera. No. So I'm gonna go ahead and find the grater before I do this. Okay, I have the grater, so I'm gonna go ahead and grate some garlic. You don't need that much. You'll need, I think it said half a tablespoon. So I'm gonna go ahead and grate this. I'm gonna switch camera angles for this part. So give me like 2 seconds. It'll be like nothing for you guys, but I need 2 seconds. Okay, so this is enough ginger. So what I'm gonna do is look at the recipe really quickly, and it says I need minced garlic. Okay, I'm gonna have to go in the basement for that, I think. So okay, the recipe calls for 3 cloves of minced garlic, but I already have some minced garlic. Hold on. Focus. Okay, I already have some minced garlic, so pretty sure 3 cloves is like 4 tablespoons. did 3.5 though. So I'm gonna have to take those spoons off since I used them. Okay, so the recipe doesn't call for this, but I saw this when we went to the grocery store, and it's a marinade. If you guys want to take a screenshot, here you go. And I'm gonna put that in there. And I just took 2 big spoonfuls. Should I take one more? Okay, I'll take like half of what I did. Okay. So now that that is on there, I'm gonna put on some gloves because I don't want to like dry out my hands or anything. So give me two seconds. Okay, this is on her Wizard Kelly right now, but she's my first taste tester. So.
Yeah, because I look like that's hot.
It's good.
You were successful.
What do you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
Shut the hell up. Get on my face with that.
Okay.
We don't do that.
Okay guys, so here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I love you all so much, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of Vlogmas. Bye!